Drill. Name is drill. After conducting lottery, you find out where it goes. So just note down number 4. His case number status is 18 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 and 4. His name is drill. So now conduct lottery. Conduct lottery. Demo. After conducting lottery, if you see number 4, number 4.
Yes, sir.
Serial number 4. After drawing lottery, is lottery number is 49. Same.
Yes.
Export. So a dummy lottery also, for your convenience, that we have conducted dummy lottery before we go for main lottery. So this also we are going to say it. Afterwards, nobody should question us whether you have conducted dummy lottery or not. Like that, one more lottery is there. Yeah, lottery demo. A single calculation lottery will conduct. It is also demo. Take for example, come down there. Roll number, serial number 19. Register number 241. Naida. Okay, just conduct now. Serial number 19. After conducting lottery, 11. So this also export. So nothing is there, just online. It will suffer. Whoever is what is that? Lucky one. It is only for RT, not for category 1 and 2. Category 1 and 2 they are eligible for admission according to their transfer guidelines, according to their transfer policy they will get it. Only for RT. RT comes SC, ST, physically handicapped, disabled. They comes under RT. Now go for another one more for general purpose. SC, ST lottery. Take for example 5. Johnson. Conduct lottery. After conducting lottery number 5, we have to lottery number 4 has come. Serial number 5, 42, Johnson. After the lottery, this selection list is 4. You will have doubt how many sheets are there for RT. RT means Right to Education Act, introduced in Parliament in the year 2005. RT 15% for SC candidates, 7.5% for ST candidates, 3% for physically disabled. So we have how many number of seats in a single section school? Ours is a single section school, civil sector. Civil sector means the chairman is collector. Civil sector means the sponsoring agency who has provided land to construct the building. State government people have sponsored, they have provided land, then chairman will be the collector. The Vidyalaya Management Committee is a board of governors. Chairman is collector. Nominee chairman, he can nominate anybody. So he has nominated a sub-collector as nominee chairman. And apart from that, 14 BMC members are there. They have given some names. Eminent Education Institute, like that. In that place, we have selected. So it is decided by the chairman, he himself. Now, so out of 40, 15% means how many seats will go for SC? 6 seats. SC 6 seats. 7.5 for ST means 3 seats. And 3% for physically handicapped means 1%. Total 10. So what is the purpose of this? That is, once they get selected, till 8th class, no need to pay any fees. Earlier this provision is there only for category 1, 2 and 3. Now government has thought that why can't we give some admissions for outsiders? Outsiders means those who are not comes under this category. So up to 8th class they do not pay any fees. And besides that, government is going to pay nearly 8,000 rupees to purchase uniform, one set, two sets of uniform, shoe, socks. Now it has been stopped temporarily. It has been stopped. We don't know when it is. When it is revoked, we will pay money also when they submit vouchers. So up to class 8, this provision is up to class 8. Up to class from class 9, this provision is. So article is very very important now. Still time is there. And the remaining, the selection will be category 1 is first priority. Central government transferable and non-transferable employees. Transferable and non-transferable employees comes under category 1. Category 2, public sector undertakings like banks, LIC, ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Commission, DRDO. They are comes under public sector undertakings. They comes under category 2. Category 3 means transferable and non-transferable state government employees. State government. Category 4, transferable and non-transferable public sector undertakings of state government. For example, APSPDCL, Electricity Board is there. Food Corporation of India, state government. It is public sector undertakings. They come under category. Earlier, IAPSRTC was also category 4 because recently it has merged into government. Now they become category 3. Last category is category 5. Who comes under category 5? All public, those who do not come under this 1, 2, 3, like drivers, painters, software engineers, whoever it may, business people, all may come under category 5. There is no provision of seats for category 5 unless otherwise there is a vacancy. So, under category 1, who will be given the first admission? Who will, that comes under category 1, so many are there, 40 are there. Then who will get the first admission? As per the criteria, the parent who has got more number of transfers for the last 7 years, 2021 से लेके पीछे 7 years के पीछे जिसका ट्रांसफर ज़्यादा है उसको पहले that is like that. Suppose here also if admission will be taken like that only. Then our time matter just afterwards I will give you first because yeah madam are dummy lottery as your lottery. Here I will show. First you have to draw for RT lottery. Second is a different abled SC lottery, different labeled ST lottery, different labeled OBC, NCL, non-criminal. Number 5, different labeled general OBC, criminal lottery. 6, service category 1. After all completion of this comes under 6th we have to take lottery for category 1. Then service category 2, lottery. SC lottery, ST lottery, OBC non-criminal lottery. OBC non-criminal, those income is less than 8 lakhs. I think so, as per state government. OBC less than 8 lakhs. Am I correct, sir? Criminal is more than 8 lakhs. I don't know. But based on the certificate issued by Tahsildar, whether criminal or non-criminal, issued by Tahsildar, we will consider. Next, OBC. Service category 3, state government. Then service category 4, anybody is there. Service category 5. With this one more.
Yes.
Yeah, single girl lottery. This is over and above. Over and above means above 40. Our caste is 40. 2 admissions will be given. The children of single girl child means only one girl will be there. Suppose twins are there. Single girl children, twins are there. In one birth, mother got 2 children. Admission will be considered for both. Admission will be considered not for boys. Its name is SGC, single girl children. It is over and above. 2 seats will be there. If twins are there, both will be considered and one admission. And fees, regarding fees, they have to pay fees. Up to 5th class. 6th class onwards, there will be an exemption. Single girl child, no need to pay fees. But RTE,
up to 8th class.
Okay, RTE for everyone. Suppose in RTE what happens, a category 1 SC, because a bank employee or railway employee got admission under category 1 under RTE because he belongs to SC or maybe ST. Such cases, because they are getting reimbursement in their organization, they have to pay fees. Those who are employees getting reimbursement of their organization, they have to pay fees, even though you get seat under RTE. Okay, this is all about RTE. ST also, there are 3 seats will be there. If you any ST candidate is getting RTE under RTE only, no exam. Exam will be there. Other than RTE, I have to pay fees. Single girl children also they have to pay fees. Okay. Single girl child they have to submit affidavit. Affidavit is a must, based on affidavit only. And one more thing, RTE, those who have got admission, they should be residing within the radius of 5 kilometers. That is the rule. Suppose you are beyond 5 kilometers, if you do not submit the residence certificate issued by VRO or other based on order, your admission will be cancelled. You should be within the radius of 5 kilometers only for RTE. Others, that rule will not be applicable. Okay? Not here.
Shall I start?
No, wait.
Free or free download? Shall I download the list?
First you have to download all the list to save.
Shall I scroll down?
Wait. The lottery operation can be performed between 23. Okay. Number of sections C1. We will see clearly here. Number of seats available 10 under RT. So these are the how many applied? These are the candidates applied. 156 applied. You may note down this also. 156 applied. Whether we don't know. Once they come for admission, we will count to know. 156 applied. 10 seats are available. Single section school. Let us save that. Download 3 lottery.
Yes, sir. Download.
Save. 156 candidates are registered for RT. So we have 10 seats. There is a provision for 10 seats. Okay. Now shall we conduct lottery, sir? Yes, sir. So here option is there. Now before that, you check any number. You cannot check now. First you will find out. Madam, you find out Mrudula. Sir, what is his name? He has applied. Now we will find out whether name is there. Just checking. You can search also. T Akil. You type T Akil. AKHIL. You can search also. Whether name is there, you can search. So if madam is there, I will also know. Okay. You have not applied under RT. Because you are category 2. Thank you, sir. Okay. Close. No, close. I go. Backspace you are. Don't close. Anytime you have to go for backspace only. Shall we connect, sir? Yes, sir. Time is there.
Madam, wait.
Well, lucky.
Ma'am, wait. Yes.
From here up you
Shall I
take.
take okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, from here up you take. No.
So we are recording now, sir.
Madam, download what? We don't know as that, but we are going to download. We will show it.
Should I open this?
Let us see who are the opportunities. Luckiest. Number 1. Even online also they can see this list. Lucky. Very good. Grab them at least. Really, God has given us the best opportunity to take admission in Kendriya Vidyalaya free of cost.
Until 10.
So after 10, after 10 there will be a waiting list. This list we are going to display there. After saying. So nothing we have not done in PDF format. PDF format only. So we are not going to change anything. So immediately after that we will take print out, we will sign it.
Shall I close?
No, save this.
Download it.
Just download it.
First thing is you have to connect artery artery. That is very important within the time. Then afterwards, you can go for all arteries. Okay.
Artery was done.
Artery is done. Okay. Now
Different.
artery is over. Differently able to click madam. So these are all easy. Nobody is there. Nobody has applied.
Wait,
One
wait.
by one only.
Madam, wait, wait.
Okay.
Sir, కొంచెం ముందుకు రండి సార్. So that.
Miss Ranta, can you come? Who are all over it,
Next.
only artery left within the time.
Next.
Because all over India,
Next.
they are connecting artery, not in Kandipur. Next, a different label, ST artery. So, ST artery, one seat is there, but nobody has applied.
OBC not clear.
Provisional. Provisional there, only one application. Madam, connect madam.
So, I'll download the video.
Download. First, who has applied, we are going to download first. After they should not say we have applied, our name is not there. If they have applied, their name will be there.
Correct, sir?
Wait.
Select it, okay? What is it?
Yes.
Download lottery list. You don't have download.
Only one is there, sir.
Only
Okay.
one.
You will see the eligibility. Afterwards, the application will be there. If they are eligible under the category. Next. Okay.
Language. Not being here, it is
Number 4 now, different.
Number 4 is cited na.
Number 4 అయిపోయింది సార్.
ఇక్కడ డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటే నాకు డౌట్ వచ్చింది. ఓకే. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఎవరు ఉంటారు ఎందుకంటే డిఫరెంట్ లేబుల్ పర్సన్స్ నోబుల్ ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ us కేటగిరీ 1.
Free lottery list and
Just calm down. Let them show. No.
free lottery list, download this and this.
How many are there? How many applied? Only 5. So, if any category 1 employee is here in Kandipur, in big schools, no, competition only in category 1. If any railway employee, income tax or postal, even postman son or daughter also will get lucky. Yesterday our Sai Rangal sir was talking, he studied with our sir also, Nagaraja sir. He stepped to here, he is BSc candidate, here at college here. He was telling, Kandipur is lucky. Okay. 100%. So all will get it. Because they are lucky. But you will find out whether sometimes unknowingly also they will apply category 1.
Yes.
Because they don't know while applying. So once they come with all applications, you will reject. So provisional application is not a right unless otherwise they show the documents. At the time of their registration also there are some instructions, agreement will be there. I agree all the conditions. If I submit false applications, it will be cancelled. Then you put tick mark, then go for registration. So okay, lucky I was there. Now sir is curiously waiting.
I'll download the lottery list.
Category 2 welcome sir, because all our accounts are in UBA. I'm very much thankful to you that we have got internet banking facility also, but we are not using that. View option will be there. Without disturbing you, we can take printout from here. Thank you very much sir. But my request is please provide us one POS mission. That is my dream. I want to install a POS mission so that all parents need not come and disturb you. They come to school with their 18 cards, credit cards, they can clear the fees. So that you please do it sir. Otherwise your workload will be more.
Yes, sir.
Many cases they do not accept this sir, because parents may come to school for fees. They send to banks only. But I am not. Okay.
Yes.
Next step.
Category.
Category 2. Yeah. Click. Then you type stars the data. Good.
Free lottery list.
Madam, Dr.
Second one. Chaitra.
Chetra. How many are there total?
8 of.
Huh?
Out of eight.
8 members, sir. Total 8.
Reserved actual 16, huh?
Number of seats?
Reserved 10, huh? Applied only?
8 sir, 8. Eligible carry 8.
8 hours. So all will get. In case if they are really category 2 employee. So congratulations, sir. Without getting lottery, we will congratulate you. So how lucky children are here. Even category 2 everyone is getting admission.
Shall I connect the lottery, sir?
Download lottery list. Second name.
One thing I would like to explain here, because this is out of the information. How the headquarters will come to know the admission procedure. Once admission is there, sir has brought all certificates here. We have to upload in the online method. Just to open.
Okay.
Suppose, sir start name.
Second one.
Chaitra Valley second.
He has brought all certificates. And I have said here, in the place given, the reason for not admitted or admitted. Our document checked and verified करके हम भेजना. So they will see there. Suppose he is not eligible, he has put on the category 2. That also I have to mention here the reason. Not eligible for a category 2, hence admission is rejected. So all these applications we have to upload simultaneously. So there is no scope, there is no chance for what is this? Malpractice. So yesterday when I went to the
SC lottery.
yesterday when I went to RDO office, one UDC is talking in Kendriya Vidyalaya last year, you have sold admissions. I am really worried. I want to give one open letter to her after this. Suppose if an admission is sold by me or our staff, we are going to resign. Don't blame our Kendriya Vidyalaya outside. We are very good. We are very good. We don't do like that. Everyone is a Kandipur child only. Whether you are child or somebody's child. Your children only will be studying here. But we want to see the eligibility. Government has given chair to sit on the chair to give the admission for the eligibility candidates. If a child is eligible, we will give. No. I see. This is also very important. When it comes now, suppose 6 seats are there in RTE. If you do not fulfill 6 seats in RTE, then waiting list SC will be taken. SC is not separate here. Out in the RTE, out of 6, some Laguna is there. 3 seats are there. Or some dirt, then we have to consider SC. Suppose 6 children out of 6, 5 admitted, 1 has not joined. Then you have to consider SC lottery. First number 1. Okay.
Shall I connect?
And I would like to give pre-lottery download this conductor. So how many applied?
Just I cancel it.
75.
75 applied. Don't know. They come in the 75, we'll see conductor.
Right now.
How many applied? Sir?
3 months, sir. Waiting list now.
Why waiting list 1 has come? Because already 10 seats are reserved for RT. If in any SC candidate only not got admitted, then waiting list 1 will be considered. Waiting list 1. SC waiting list 1. Under SC only, not ST. In RT, 6 seats will be there. We will see whether 6 are there or not. Out of 6 SC candidates, if anybody is not joined, then we will go for taking SC lottery waiting list 1, SC lottery waiting list 2. Like that.
Shall we move to ST now?
Change it, sir.
Say this. ST.
ST lottery very lucky, out of 3 seats only 2 applied. 2 applied, 2 will get it. Download chesara. So what happens one seat is now lying vacant? What to be done? In such cases, one more advertisement is to be given in the newspapers. On 30th June, the date is 30th June, giving wide publicity, sending circulars to various departments, stating that there is a vacancy for ST category. Even if that also, if no child is registered offline, not online, offline application only, if no child is registered, then the reservation for ST will be transferred to SC category. Based taking the approval from the chairman, stating all the reasons, how many advertisement you have given, how many applications registered, why you are converting ST admission to SC. So this is also to whom should be considered waiting list 1 SC only. Waiting list 1 SC को लेना है. Suppose waiting list 1 already got admission, waiting list 2. So after conversion, I am talking about after conversion. Now SC lottery. This is also OBC enclave in a lottery is very very important. 27% reservation, 11 seats will be there. Recent amendment. 11 seats, 27% out of 40 seats. 27%, 11 seats will be there. Non-criminal year, NCL. So how many applied? 64 applied. How many seats are reserved? 11. 11 seats are. Now conductor. How many, madam?
Yes.
Say suddenly, why waiting list number 1 has come? They are all under category 1.
Service categories.
Category 1 also, they are OBC. So like that waiting list. So already they will get under their category. So most of the employees who have applied category 1 2, already they come under that. So remaining who are there 11 seats will be as per the this waiting list.
सर अगर 1 to 10 तक वो कैटेगरी सपोज कैटेगरी 1 या कैटेगरी
2 में जाने से कैटेगरी 11 तक 11 से लेना है.
ओबीसी का 11 से शुरू
11 से होना. Because he comes under category 1.
यस
Because OBC eligibility is OBC, category 1 both he has got. Eligibility is in both. Suppose if we take admission there, he don't want to admit here. So after 10 what will take 11th person will be the OBC.
और वो फर्स्ट कंसीडर
You are like SC also. SC also suppose category 1 parent is there. He has applied under category 1 and also he comes under SC. SC also his name will be there. And category 1 also his name will be there. Because both he is eligible. If he takes admission in category 1, so under SC somebody will be given.
सर इट इज पेरेंट्स डिजायर टू टेक
No. First category means category only. Category only. Category means category comes in. Because they will show that eligibility only SC or ST.
Service category
3. Now this is also very important because many parents are from state government.
Three lottery list number. Total 51 now.
51 applied. So 51 means many state government employees will come under waiting list. They won't get it. So now 11 seats over, 10 seats over 21. Remaining how many? Out of 21? Out of 40? 19 seats. 19. Out of 19, 51 are there.
51
Ma'am, 19 means nearly 31. So 20 around 20. Means 31 state government employees will be under waiting list. Now that means you can go for even second section also based on this registration. Because 20 or 30 children are there waiting for admission. In class 10 is party. Save that.
Shall I go to category 4? Category
You saved it, sir.
Downloaded, sir.
Download this for save that. Photo will save this. Otherwise you will get confusion. After downloading, you save in that folder. Easy for taking print out. Otherwise, go on downloading. So many downloads will be there. Category 4. Category 4 all APFs 9 members separate. 9 members separate. They won't get it. Because category 3 are waiting list. Who will get category 4? No chances. 100%. But sometimes even some other outsiders also they may have applied in the category though they are not eligible. That possibilities will also be there. In category 5. Category 5 also public.
164.
So apart from this, I would like to tell you all the members, MP quota will be there. It is over and above.
Yes.
Over and above. Only principal eligibility is 40. It is our duty that to accommodate the children. Over and above strength is there. It comes under their quota. We are not going to enter it. We will get the list from government mail ID directly from headquarters. As soon as we will get the list, we will inform the parents. And our Honorable MP is Adal Prabha Reddy, under his constituency, there are 2 schools, Nellore and Kanur. So his quota is 10. Some seats he may give to Nellore, some seats he will go to Kanur. We don't know how many seats he will go. Apart from that, there is a HRD quota will be there. HRD quota 1600 seats will be there. Some MPs, if they cannot accommodate, they can recommend even that quota also. Last year we got 3 seats from that quota. From that quota. Suresh Prabhu, the Rajya Sabha MP, under his quota also 10 seats will be there. Rajya Sabha MP within AP, any KV he can give admission. Any KV. Lok Sabha MP, constituency MP, within the constituency only, yes, within the constituency. Rajya Sabha member of the parliament, no, within AP. Any seat, any school he can recommend. So 10 seats for him, 10 seats for him. It is over and above. Last one is very, very important. Single girl child marriage. 2 seats will be there. This is also above 40. Single girl child marriage. How many applied, madam?
164.
Single girl child 154.
No, category 5 है.
Category
It is category 5.
SGC sir.
Yes, yes.
29.
Oh, 29.
Sometimes, what is that? boy also will be there. They think that single girl is only one girl there.
But how will you identify, sir?
No, affidavit they will give, no? Affidavit they will give. And this will be the format will be there. Undertaking will be there. And sometimes they will give the certificate, after certificate. No other shade. So lucky will see,
Girls, two lucky girls.
lucky girls. So please one to see. Or then waiting list as well. We have to have this Sheikh Suhana.
Ganga Vaishnavi. Sri Vaishnavi.
You will see whether they are single girl child or not, but you will know. Two. See after two waiting list.
Shall I say, sir?
ఇంకా డౌన్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయేమో చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి.
One save them, first save them afterwards.
ఓకే.
Here is what application also to see.
Sunna?
No, first download save madam. Those who got selected, provisional list, we are sending the mail to them, stating that congratulations, you got provisional selection. And also, tomorrow onwards admissions, first we will touch the RD. Tomorrow RD admissions. Day after tomorrow, further.
Hello.
Please, everything around.
Sir, category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4, category 5, OBC,
Differently able OBC? OBC.
OBC, RTE, SC, single girl child, ST not. All have come now.
Hello.
Come down previous one. Full take print of that. Nobody has it. Once again you click on find out.
Yes, sir.
RTE right. Once we have conducted, no?
Again, we got an impact. We can
Yeah.
download that.
No. This option will be there. Conduct lot option will be disabled. First check madam.
RT completed, sir. Differently able.
That option is not there.
ST differently able.
Okay.
OBC not clear there.
That option is the conduct lot option is there, not there, disabled.
Different able general OBC is service category 1.
Conduct lot option is not there. That means you have conducted.
Category 2.
Category 2.
SC category.
Okay, sir.
SC category.
Option is not there. No.
OBC not clear there. Service category 3.
So, the conduct lot option is not there. So, you have conducted.
Category 4.
Anytime you can download, even not there. But you cannot conduct the lab.
Category 5. Single. Serious word. View service
Admitted
category.
applications.
Madam, you give print out.
Sorry.
Take it from here.
From here.
Huh?
From here I guess.
That's enough. Because you should not go there. You give print out from
But
here.
once show that admitted applications also.
Admitted application.
See, once admission is done, not tomorrow on Saturday. It won't be there.
For recording purpose.
Once you try to admit it, then it will appear here.
Yes,
Once
sir.
you type admitted there in the box, automatically comes there how many children are admitted. Day wise you can have the statistics.
Shall I stop share, sir?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
No. or will come there. All of members please come here. They don't know who are sitting here. So that is very important. And even that only principal is collecting nobody is there. You also come.
Madam projector, switch off the projector.
And then sharing.
Sir?
Sharing.
Projector, sir. No, we are not switching off the CPU. Just get it. Okay, sir. Finish.
Photo taking.
Photo nahi, sir, please. As well as recording and photo both of them.
Thank you. What is this?
Sir,
Now I
any
request our
photo?
bank managers are please 2 minutes, 2 words about our last day system. What is the public opinion?
Good morning, sir. Today I have conducted, I am also part of the conducted selection of the students for first class. It's done constantly through online only. Don't no manual introduction. Everything done through their website only. We have a guest who have attended here. We have seen everything fine. And about KB, actually, Varsar said these Kandapur people are really lucky. When I am working in Kerala, some KB schools, even corporate schools also, such a competition will not be there. Such a competition is there in KB. Especially even if you say, if you take private schools, even we don't know their qualification. If they will with 10th class or 5th class, 6th class, they will come and teach first class, second class, third class by heart in 1, 2, 3 books. Here staff are very well educated and that are qualified teachers. That is some selection process, they will go through it and they will come. We will get a quality education in KV, definitely. It's proved in so many places, but Kandapur is especially very lucky. Almost all people got almost all candidates. Thank you for giving this option.
Thank you, sir. The main advantage of government employees here, they need not search for schools when they get transferred. Even there is a provision for bank employees who are coming. Suppose you are given transfer to some other place, you can opt in. Sir, there is no Kendriya Vidyalaya, please give me posting. Wherever there are Kendriya Vidyalayas. Moreover, 24/7 once you take PC here, you will be given admission. No donation. If you go to international schools, national schools, you have to think of money, admission. So, such a branded Kendriya Vidyalaya, and I am lucky that God has given an opportunity to see you here, to meet you people here. Otherwise, who am I? I don't know who you are. It is God's grace. Meeting the people is also God's grace. All will not meet. In Kandapur, so many people are there, but we cannot meet like for Nagaraja. Somewhere, some destiny we might have written by God to meet. So, in that way, I am also lucky. Now, I request our educationist, well educated person, and like our father, please.
Good morning, all of you. It's really very lucky to have Kendriya Vidyalaya in Kandapur, as many people are already informed this matter. Maybe by the Honorable MLA of Kandapur and Sub-Collector and Collector also. And really it's lucky because when I was studying a student of Kandapur College, this was my classroom.
Very good.
And when I worked here as a lecturer, first appointment in the government, I appointed here at Government College. Here where I taught to the students as a lecturer. Now, as a member of this committee, I felt very happy. I need not explain about the admission procedure, and people may talk like this and that what our principal told in the RDO's office. It is nothing. It is a bluff. There is no question of violation. We are here to charge. If there is a violation, we are here to prove it. Where there is violation, it should be shown impractical. Speaking something nonsense by going a good way is not correct. But if a man is getting out of this MLA quota, MP quota, or Rajya Sabha quota, we can't do anything. Within the framework set up by the central government, within the admission procedure, are we following strictly or not? I am 100% sure that we are following 100% strictly adherence to the admission procedure laid down by the Government of India.
So this is very like, this area is very like, how many, some 40 people got the seats. Perhaps they might have not expected that they will get a seat in say Kendriya Vidyalaya in Kandapur. So it's really very like this, sir. We are here to help you, we are here to assist you, we are here to strengthen you for the development of the school. Thanking you for giving this opportunity.
See, when we are standing here, we are displaying the list. Everybody will observe the list. Where will be the violation? Suppose you are not given the seat, you can go to the court also. See, everything you are signing the same list will be open, displayed there. Without giving the seat of you gave say 10th member or 11th member, will you be keep quiet? You won't be keep quiet. You will come and question. So everything is transparent because it's a brand image. We don't want to violate this because God has given a job here to work comfortably. That is enough for us. But I always feel that whoever it may be, children of Kandapur, whoever is eligible, they will get admission. So that is my aim. So with this, I am very much thankful to all the committee members for their help and cooperation. I know Nagaraj sir, he is with us. He is also taking the good image to our local MLA sir, discussing about school. Now recently when I came to know that some parents told me, sir, about your school, the MLA sir is very good opinion, sir. Earlier it was not there. Because of sir's message, whenever they are like school brothers, when he goes to his chamber, sir, I saw Kendriya Vidyalaya like this. I know very well. Somebody might have told something, but when he goes, he will give the correct message so that whatever wrong notion in his mind has got, it was the principal is working for the school. That felt I was very happy. Yes, a good message I am giving here for all the parents as well as the public and also the VIPs. That is very important. They will go and talk about our school. So thank you very much. You are all responsible persons now. You are all members means you are all we are responsible. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mobin madam, Venkatesh sir,
Thank you.
and other government for the sparing time. Okay, thank you. Will you print out?
Stop sharing.
Will you print out? Then we are not going to